guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today the giveaway winner is going to be announced for the Aussie egg. Now, okay, I'm going to show you guys the Google Docs I put the people on that I met on Discord who want to be a part of it. Sorry, I barely gave you guys an hour to enter, but like, I did all on Discord. So, these are all the people. Of course, Alex, I just quickly did it. Okay, let's just spin and see who won. I am not doing anything. And 4-1. That is this person. Okay. Let's just tell them you won. Congrats. Okay, I'm gonna add them really quickly. And the other people who didn't win, yeah. Basically, sorry that you guys didn't win. But I'm doing another giveaway at 50 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. Okay, wait, I have next friends. I'm just gonna unfriend someone quickly. Okay. So, I added you. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the video, guys, and show you guys that I'm actually giving the Aussie. Hey, guys, this is the person who won the giveaway. As you can see, it matches the person in the Google Docs who won. Okay, but anyways, let's give them their pet, I guess. Their Aussie egg. And I'll be doing... Okay, let me just give them item from backpack. What? How can... trade me. Hey, trade me. Trade me. You. Oh my god, I can't wait to just give them an Aussie egg. I will be doing more of these giveaways, guys, but next giveaway is at 50 subscribers, so let's just say it's yay. Okay, guys, remember next giveaway is at 50 subs. Just comment down your Roblox username. Okay, just comment down your Roblox username, like and subscribe, and I will be doing more. Oh, thank you. Yeah, guys, listen to her, okay? She said sub to him. Hey, thank you so much. Okay, yeah, and I'm really sorry to the people who lost, so we'll end the video. Bye, guys.